Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Mcaffeine Cappuchino Coffee Moisturizer. The price of this moisturizer is $4.49 for 50 ml of quantity. This product comes in a glass jar packaging just like their other two moisturizers which they have recently launched. The texture of this moisturizer is extremely lightweight. It would suit oily to extremely oily skin people. This is a complete ingredient list of this moisturizer. It contains coffee, vitamin E and almond milk, and it also contains synthetic fragrance as the last ingredient. These are the claims of this product which they have mentioned on their website. It says 48 hours lightweight moisturization. Coffee contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits, soothes, calms and tones the skin, unique lightweight texture and exudes heavenly aroma of coffee with creamy undertones that will surely elevate your senses. These were all of the claims that they have mentioned. Now it's time to review this product. This moisturizer would suit oily, extremely oily to combination skin type people because this is a very lightweight moisturizer. For dry skin people, I think the other moisturizer which they had launched, the latte one, would be more suitable. As I mentioned about the fragrance, which is the last ingredient, it does have a mild fragrance of coffee. Specifically, they have assigned fragrances based on the name that they have set for their moisturizers. Like the espresso one does smell like espresso. The overall texture of this moisturizer is very good. It doesn't make the skin oily, greasy or sticky, which is great. It works really well for oily skin people. Talking about the fragrance, as I mentioned in some of my previous video, there are certain type of fragrances that does irritate my skin and cause me breakouts, but this particular one and the Mcaffeine, the fragrance that Mcaffeine uses, for some reason it doesn't break me out. And even I had the same experience with Dot & Key, but there are certain type of fragrances which doesn't suit me. So if you fall in this category, then I would recommend you to skip this product and try some fragrance free products that would be more likely to suit your sensitive skin. I've already reviewed their latte moisturizer, and both these moisturizers are extremely similar in the price, in their packaging, and the only difference of these two moisturizers is the fragrance that they have added and also the texture of the product. So they have made 3 different moisturizers on the basis of the skin type, and the difference in both these products is just the texture of the product and the fragrance, and that is it. Rest everything, the price, the packaging, the overall formulation of the products are extremely similar. So as I reviewed the latte moisturizer, the texture of that one is slightly thicker than this one, so the latte one would suit mostly dry skin people, and it is extremely deep moisturization as they have mentioned it as well. It gives that deep moisturizing effect which most of the dry skin people would need. This one is extremely lightweight, which is mostly formulated for people with oily to combination skin. So overall, it's a great moisturizer. It would suit oily skin. So if your skin is not sensitive, you can definitely give this one a try. It's a good product. That is all from my overall review of the Mcaffeine Cappuchino Coffee Moisturizer. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos in the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.